안녕하세요. 제 이름은 Dishanda What's going on, everyone? This is your girl D back again with another unboxing for you. And today I am unboxing my PE Boo Box or P Boo Box. I'm butchering that name, I know, but I'm going to get it right. For February 2018, I will leave all the information down below about the P Boo Box. But basically what this is a subscription box that will send you face mask, Korean face mask. So this is very, very cool. Those that know me and follow me on social media, you know that I love Asian culture in general, Asian food, Asian skincare. It's all amazing. And let me just tell you, Korean skincare specifically is eons, light years ahead of its time than here in the United States. They have awesome skincare products. That's why a lot of Koreans have that beautiful, glowy skin, because face mask is one of the things that they use a lot, and moisturizer. So anyway, let's get into this. This is how the package looks. It comes in this gold package like this. Again, this is for February 2018. This is my first one. If I haven't said this already, I believe this is $19.99 a month. Again, I'll leave it all down below, but don't quote me on that. And you can subscribe either 3 months or 6 months if you prefer, or yearly. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. By the way, also before I start, let me tell you, when I do my unboxings on this channel, I rate them using my 3 Ps, which are packaging, presentation, and product. So far, the packaging and presentation are okay. I mean, it came in this gold mailer, which is bubble wrapped here, so it's very, very secure. So nothing would happen to my mask. So it's all right, you know, it's okay. It's pretty basic. These are the masks that I got. I'm just going to flash them in front of the camera right quick. That's what they look like. Let's go ahead and go over the ones that I've got. I think I've got about, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 8 of them. And I incorporate these into my skincare routine. I use a face mask probably twice a week, if not 3 times. Mostly twice a week is when I will use a face mask. And I will always post about my face mask on my Instagram. I will leave that down below. I will take a picture of myself wearing the face mask. I post that on Snapchat because I don't want to scare everybody, but I'll scare people on Snapchat with that. All right, let's go ahead and get started, all right? So the first one that I see here is the Vitamin Melting Chew Mask. This is from Dewy Tree. And this one is for moisture and elasticity. I cannot say that word. The elastic in your skin, girl, okay? That's what this looks like here. And here's the back. Lucky for me, I am learning Korean, so I can read some of the Hangul on the back there. It has instructions on how to, put the mask on and everything. So this is cool. We also have one. This is from Dewy Tree. And this is the Nutrition Deep Mask Green Enzyme. And it looks like this here. This is cute. I like the packaging of this one. Very cute. And this is what it looks like on the back. You see the picture right there. This is going to be a green mask when I put this on. Maybe I'll scare people on Snapchat wearing this one. Next up, this one. Ooh! This is from Etude House. Etude House is awesome. It's a Korean beauty store. Amazing, amazing. This is the Lotus Mask. This is for soothing and purifying purposes. And this is what the mask looks like there, with those beautiful lotus flowers on them. And this is the other side of the face mask as well. And this one is also from Etude House, and this one is for soothing and firming. And this is a snail mask. So this one is enriched with snail mucus, and it looks like that there. I know people are like, ew, snail. But you know what? Snail mucus is awesome. I put cucumbers and all kinds of weird stuff on my face, and my skin is okay. So this is good, though. This is good. All right, next. Oh, this is so cute. This one is called the Icing Sweet Bar Sheet Mask from Apu. And it looks like an ice cream bar. Look at that. It's so cute. And here's the back of it. I love that. That's cute. Almost done. I got, maybe 3 more. This one is from Elincilla Nutracell. This is a moisturizing mask. This is for dry skin, which is what I have. And it's very moisturizing. And this is enriched with escargot, which is snail, and hyaluronic acid. And that's what this mask looked like. I might do this one tonight, actually. I got a lot of choices to make here. That's what the back looks like. This one's interesting. This one right here really fits my skin type. Next up we have from Surmedic. This is the Bright and Glutathione. Girl, what this say? I cannot pronounce this word, but this looks like it's a brightening mask, y'all. I'm just going to flash it in front of the camera instead of butchering the name. That's what it looks like there. And here's the back of it right there. This is very interesting. Oh, and by the way, with this subscription, there was no little card in here to tell me what the masks are and what they do. Luckily, like I said, the instructions are in the back in English and also in Korean. So, last but not least, we have this Lift Active Essence Mask. And this is for firming and energizing. And this is what this mask looks like here. And this is the other side of that mask there. So wow, that is everything that I have received from my very first Peeboo box with these face masks. And again, I'm very excited. I get very overjoyed with skincare. Those that know me, again, you know that I love makeup and skincare. That's my jam, besides, you know, K-pop and Korean dramas and Asian movies and music and all things Asian. So this is up my alley. This right here is a perfect subscription for me. So let me know if you get Peeboo box. By the way, also, there was no profile for me to fill out that asked about my skin type or anything. I just signed up because I wanted to give it a try. But if you get this subscription, let me know what you think of it. Do you use face masks? Do you like face masks? How often do you incorporate face masks in your skincare routine? Leave a comment down below. Let's talk about it. Alright guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe if you like this sort of thing. Click the bell to be notified for more videos. And I'll talk to you next time. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
넌 나고 난 나